This is a gloss solvent-based finish on a Jarrah floor. The owners wanted to lighten it up, so I've bleached it. This is what it looks like now. It's been bleached and using a water-based satin finish on it. Now here's the old look with the dark Jarrah. Yeah, the high gloss finish tends to show a lot of marks. It's quite dark, as you can see. And they just wanted to lighten it up and give the house a more open, airy feel. And now we're just going to cross over to the bleached look. And as you can see, it certainly lightens up, gives it a more expansive look throughout the house. Yeah, worked quite well. If you'd like to know more about bleaching Jarrah, give me a call on 0438 888 123.